One thing that garages absolutely need when it comes to keeping their garage bays full is visibility. I know firsthand because we're actually on my husband's garage. I've been managing his page for quite some time. And the other thing, too, is that, you know what? Mechanics, they just want to fix cars. That's all they want to do. And there's nothing wrong with that. So, some of the things that I've implemented as an in house agency for him are a couple of new things. And that is, how about this? We're going to be offering online booking for oil changes. And when it comes to my husband's garage, he was only using voicemail just only about 10 years ago, and you can see now that we offer two-way texting. So I'm going to bring you to his website. And the reason why I'm bringing you to his website is that if you are an agency or a wannabe agency that wants to take care of, say, auto repair garages, there's something that I can share from my inside point of view that you don't have. Okay. Lots of times when it comes to very busy mechanics like my husband, the one thing that they cannot stand is being sold to, because think about where they're coming from. They spend their days fixing stuff that's broken. Think about your own car. The last time you had to bring your car in, right? What do you want to hear when, you bring it to your mechanic, that they can fix it, right? How much is it going to cost? How long am I going to be without my car? So just think of when you are approaching a garage, think about yourself, like how you want to be treated when it comes to having something that's broken and you just want it fixed. Now, the point where I'm talking about where they don't want to be sold to is that as a marketer, I'm going to go back here to the, say, agency software. You as a marketer might actually know that you have the right tool to be able to fix their problem that maybe they don't even know that they have. So I'm going to suggest that you maybe try to book an appointment with them. Don't try any snake oil sales stuff to get past the gatekeeper, because the office manager, for one, is her time, everybody's time in a garage is valuable, first of all. I would even suggest sending maybe a postcard, or just straight up when you do call, say, listen, hey, I if I could just have like 10 seconds of your time right now, or how about this? If you're in the area, why not go in for an oil change, right? That would be probably your best bet. Go in for an oil change, because then you know what? You are a customer. Actually, you should go in for an oil change and see what kind of service that you get as a customer. Now, I know you can't go get an oil change like every single, if you're wanting to grow your agency fast, that might not be practical. But if you are local and you do want to experience somebody's garage, and you want to get the owner's time, maybe invite them to lunch. So get creative with that. But for the sake of this video, I just wanted to actually show you a real live example of, here's a website, right? Now, not all websites are made the same, because a lot of home services, they might not have an updated website, or maybe they don't even see the value in having a website. So that's where I would start, is just talk to them about having a smart website. What's a smart website? Well, a smart website would be this, making sure that they have like a chat widget on their website. And here's the beauty about the platform that I have, and also some of the tips that are in, say, my free playbook. So you want to grab my free playbook, is that this little widget right here, you could be able to just embed this, which would tie back here and would go right into the opportunities and pipeline. Now, I'm not going to click on that right now because I'm actually on the inside of our garage. I'm going to stay in areas here that I'm not sharing any personal information, but you get the idea, right? So if somebody goes here and there's a chat widget, and then it winds up in the back here under conversations, then that garage can start to have a conversation. Now, the beauty about like time is this platform also has built-in AI agents. So just this past weekend, we had a bunch of snow. We had to close yesterday, but what's great about having, say, voice AI is that some of our employees couldn't make it into work. It didn't make any sense to stay open yesterday because we got a lot of snow. So, in that instance, what I had done was I went in here to our AI agent and I actually said right here, please leave a message as we're closed today because of the snowstorm. So now what I have to do is just update this. I'll update this as we're speaking. Let's see. So as this says, this is Canal Auto Repair. I'm AI Chloe and can assist you. This call's being recorded for quality control. What can I help you with your vehicle problem today? Please tell me if you are new. Oh, we'll just leave it right there for now. Okay. So now I'll hit save. So now the next time that somebody calls in during the hours that I have the AI bot on, what's really cool is that this isn't the type of AI where you have to push a button, and isn't that kind of annoying when you have to push a button to get to the right department. In this instance, what happens is you can just have a fluid conversation back and forth. And then right here, you can set up the agent goals, and you can even do a call transfer. And how I set up the AI is that as you can see, that it's just a dedicated customer support specialist, and it's actually a sidekick to the office manager. All right, and then phone availability. All right, we'll have to just change this because I had that on. Actually, maybe I'll just, you know what? We won't tell my husband. I'll just leave it like that for Mondays for now. Okay. But as you can see, the way we have it set up is that it'll answer after hours and during lunchtime. So this is why I just think it's just incredible to be able to have just a suite of tools that, and I love the word suite because the tools are really, really sweet, and to have them under one dashboard is absolutely incredible. And so if you are a business owner that needs to have a whole set of tools, then this platform is for you. And then my tutorials and stuff, I am gearing them now towards some of you agency owners because I literally have, I'll show you this. I'm flipping to this window just to show you that all dates, okay? I've been making content since 2008. That's a really, really, really long time. So when it comes to being able to run your business for yourself as an agency owner, you do not need anything else but the platform. And you can get a free trial by subscribing to my Get a Free Playbook. And you can use my link and I will point you in the right direction. So and before we close up today, just underneath just the marketing tools here, and this is where I had brought you when we were on my husband's Facebook page. What's really cool is that you can take a look at, there's the planner, okay? So you can see the posts that have been made, and then there's the content. You can also reschedule stuff. There's already pre-made templates. So this way you don't have to be a graphic designer. And then you can look at stuff for statistics. All right. And you can keep an eye on things for your agency customers. And for more information, again, just check out my playbook. It's absolutely free. And come back for the next video, and I'll see you soon.